Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3. Movers Cheap Middle River, local and long-distance movers near me. Our movers at 3 Movers will handle everything from packing your things in a protective packing to safely and timely delivering them to your new space. Along with standard long-distance solutions, we also offer each of the following: packing and unpacking of things, supplying of affordable packing materials, timely services, transparent pricing, advanced packaging techniques, fleets of trucks, trained staff, well-maintained and supervised storage units, licensed and insured. Hiring 3 Movers in Middle River for your local move will save you time, effort in packing and lifting all your heavy boxes. We are experts in all types of moving, be it commercial or residential. Our movers will pack and unpack your belongings, along with disassembling and reassembling your furniture into your new space. Expect our movers right on time on your moving day and get yourself settled in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Middle River moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.